Almost done. You should be good to go in about 30 minutes.
Sounds good. Hey, let me ask you something. I want to have you take care of everything with my car. All the maintenance, upkeep, and repair for the whole year. I want to be able to call you anytime I need help with my car. And when needed, I want you to come work on my car at my place and at a great discount.
Okay, sure.
And I want to pay you one reasonable flat fee for all of that. What do you say? I wasn't joking. With PRR HomeGuard, all maintenance, upkeep, security, and support for your PC or Mac is covered for a full year. And when needed, we'll come to you on site at a great discount, all for one reasonable flat rate. We're not joking.
Oh, you really had me going there.
PRR HomeGuard, the complete service plan for your home computers.